NTU is one of the best technological universities in Asia. And being a business school within itself, I think it plays a very, very important role because the ecosystem that we are in, right, provides the correct environment, right, for all the business ideas to develop over time. Right? As you can see, most businesses today, they are impacted by technology, largely because we run in an information age where information is king. The role which technology and information play in this industry is crucial, and that's where we would have a significant edge.
Having a broad range of elective selection, it helps me to broaden my perspective to see the areas where I haven't seen before. I would focus on three main areas. So first one was digital marketing, where it helps me to understand more on the customer-centric perspective and a digital world. And then the second one is healthcare industry, given the momentum it gains in the last few years. And the last one is the sustainability, which is the big challenge that the whole world, including Singapore, is facing.
At Nanyang MBA, our students' journey goes beyond the classrooms. Every moment spent here is an opportunity for them to develop into holistic leaders who create impact in their organizations and the wider community.
Being in Singapore, I think what is unique here is that we are open to students from all over the world, we are open to businesses from all over the world, we are open to trade and so on. Doing an MBA in an environment like this, it's very important because this is going to be a constant theme, right? With COVID, with globalization, the pressures of social concerns, right? I think that's something that gives the student the ability to sort of survive, thrive, and most important, to be successful in this particular kind of environment.
International companies choose Singapore as their APAC hub, and we ourselves as international students, we stand a great chance to develop our career here.
I get a chance to interact with the professors who are the best in Asia. They all wrote their own business case, and we get a chance to interact with them to really get to see what is behind the intuition of having that case. And from there, I can focus more on the Asian market and understanding on the region.
I can tap on perspectives from all over the world. I mean, we have classmates from Germany, from India, from Sweden, from Peru, from Japan. So it's an extremely diverse experience.
The Nanyang MBA is built on three pillars: innovate, lead, and transform. We develop into an innovative thinker with the ability to solve problems through a new ways of thinking. We want to nurture agile and impactful leaders who possess a strong sense of purpose and transform you into a culturally adept leader with business framework to succeed in Asia and beyond.
MBA provides great flexibility in developing individuals' ability to think in environments which is highly ambiguous, and this is especially critical when you have technological forces being as potential disruptor, you have healthcare reasons, and this sort of change business models very, very rapidly. So doing an MBA provides that additional edge for individuals to be able to handle highly ambiguous environment in a way whereby success will be a possibility.